Welcome for the Professional Trader Institute. Type in your browser www.traderprofissional.com.br and click here in this button, English. I am from Brazil. I am Leandro Santos, and I am Brazilian, and I am a Forex operator professional. I am working in the Forex market for 7 years, and I can teach you, and I will do you learn a lot of secrets and the techniques in the Forex market I can show for you completed free. So inscribe yourself in our YouTube channel. The matter of today will be about a secret about to identify a trend in the weekly graphic. We have the graphic, diary graphic, 4 hours graphic here. The pair currency we're talking about and working here is Euro AUD here, and I'm gonna use it like an example for you understand how determine the trend, and I'm gonna show for you some indicator that's really powerful. Well, we have a lot of theories about how identify a trend, how identify a technique to identify a trend with precision, but precision it's not possible. But I can show for you some technique where the probability to right it's really great. So we have the 21 moving average in MetaTrader. Okay, it's exponential, the method of the moving average we're using here, and in close we're gonna apply it for the close of the candlesticks. For each candlestick of the period graphic we're using the close moving average of 21 periods. Okay, so we can check here evidently in this graphic one probability and one pattern that repeat all the time. 21 moving average, and we have the price above the moving average. It's possible, we have a great chance the market goes up. The market goes up, the market assume generally great movements to up. Okay, cause that it's a statistic, it's a probability, it occurs with any asset, with any currency pairs in the stock market, with any company, any stock companies occurs it's statistically proved. So what we have here, when the price is above the moving average, 21 moving average exponential method, we have the price going up, and the trend will go down when the price is down, it's below the 21 moving average. So it's really easy work in this situation, and the market doesn't have any secret to identify the trend, and it's a simple method, and beyond of it be a simple method, it's a method that really we can identify with easy way to identify the direction of the trend. So we have this direction of the trend, it's up when the price is above the moving average. When the price is below the moving average, the trend is down, and we can check here the trend is completely down. But in this moment the Euro AUD has an uptrend. Why? Because the price it's above the moving average 21, and statistically, and it's proved, it's occurring all the time. So I need to buy in this situation. So it's the best indicator of trend we have. Statistically it's proved. Okay, and in the week graphic, the price or the risk it's really great. So you can identify the trend here, 21 moving average trend, method I was I I I was talking you. You can use this method and go to diary graphic, and how the trend is up. I'm gonna identify some support point where is the part of the market it's ideal you buy and you risk yourself and initiate some operation, cause the weekly graphic can influence in the diary graphic. The weekly graphic influence in the diary graphic. It's a fractal way the market moves, and statistically it's proved unavoidable the graphic superior influence in the graphic inferior. The graphic inferior, considering the weekly graphic, is the diary graphic. So you can use this technique. We can identify the great problems the traders have in the market, in the forex market, is they can't identify the trend because they use a lot of indicators and they analyze a lot of indicators that indicate some probability of direction or force of the market. And when they're interpreting the market probabilities to identify some trend or initiate or beginning of a trend and a point to initiate an operation, they can't do right because the analysis and the techniques to analyze the market they're using, unfortunately, it's a technique that has great problems because doesn't have consistency and it's not efficient. And this technique, for example, I am showing for you, it's enough efficient for you because it's simple and easily just looking. If the price is up the moving average 21, it's the uptrend. If it's above the 21 moving average, the price it's downtrend. Just it. You can't wrong more in the analysis. Just cause that you can perceive it's a great idea. You use this technique that's simple to identify the trend of the market. So we have the diary graphic. If the weekly graphic it's right, pointing to up, indicating a probability of uptrend, I'm gonna go to the diary graphic that's cheaper the price to risk myself. I will use a buy point. You can develop some strategy to identify support and initiate some operation. So this video, the objective of this video is show and teach you how identify a trend easily, because we have the down theory, okay, where the down consider the pivots to identify some trend. But it's not just the pivots that determine the trend. The moving average, it's really more powerful to identify the trend. Mainly the 21 moving average in the weekly graphic. This moving average, it's perfectly you use it to identify trend. So use it. Use this moving average because it can help you definitely, and the unavoidable you can identify the trend easily, and it will become really easy your operations decisions considering the trend. So after you watch this video, you can use your graphics. You can use the MetaTrader, or you can use the other graphic platform you have and use it, this technique, and do a lot of analysis, and you can perceive and be proved for you the moving average 21, identify the trend easily, okay, and using these techniques identify the moving the trend through this technique of moving average 21 in weekly graphic, and go to diary graphic to initiate some operation when the weekly graphic is showing the trend is down, or the change, or if the trend is down, or if the trend is up, you can have more profitability probably, because the weekly graphic is really strong graphic, and the moving average 21 it's really powerful to use this technique. So if you help, if you liked my video, you can share this video, you can be this video positive to help myself, because this is my first video in English, because how I am a forex operator. My objective is get money from the other traders, from the other people, and administrate this money and earn money for them, where I'm gonna earn a part of this profitability too. But I am an operator, and this is my objective. This is the reason I'm sharing a lot of secrets I know, because I know and I understand about the market. Well, I'm getting away now. Thank you for you watching my video, and sorry for my English, because my English is not good until I'm bettering, I'm studying, and my English will be too much more better. But I'm sorry, of course, because my English is not perfect until, but it will be, and we can better our relationship here. Thank you.